what you need to do and call Kenneth's Heating and Air at 805-460-9305. Call Kenneth's heatingandair.com. That's Kenneth's heatingandair.com.
Thing he said was, "God, I wish you'd been with me." And is in my relationship for him to say, because I him too.
Emergency video.
Oh, you. But why is not that 40 if I stumble? What are you doing? That I would love to own physically is their self-titled.
Yeah. Careful. Current loop video is now locked.
It's called the Pandy, a lifelike plush toy designed and powered by AI. It makes you feel loved, supported, and helps during tough times. Motion sensors that gently react to your touch. So when you cuddle it, it actually cuddles.
Come on.
Scottsdale. Right now, receive 1.9% financing for up to 60 months on the brand new 2025 Mazda CX-50 or CX-50 Hybrid. Or $2 off the top of MSRP when you lease a brand new.
before meeting. I think what matters most today is going to be how President Trump reacts to these strikes, which President Zelensky said he
Hey, short logger coming up to the light. Got it up?
Yeah, go ahead.
I might be seeing things, but it looks like top of the load on your tractor is on fire, and I can smell wood burning.
Really?
Yeah.
Coffee.
Mercedes and explaining cats lived outdoors for 10,000 years. It's never going to stop. But I went to the store and I bought you some rear lights and this car cover. Use it every time you park.
Donbass region. It was like independence for the Donbass region, and then the agreement that the rest of Ukraine would not join NATO. That was the deal that they had worked out. And look at where...
Look, she lives here.